Hello, friends. How are you all? Friends, I really feel privileged to share with you all my first 20 days experience at Cognizant. But before moving on to the topic, I would like to specify one thing very clearly that I joined Cognizant as an experienced candidate and not as a fresher. So my experience might be different than the one who joins as a fresher or as an intern. So, dear all, in my previous videos, I have already explained my virtual onboarding and an induction program process wherein I receive an amazing response from you all. Thank you so much, everyone, for encouraging me to prepare other such videos. So, coming over to my overall experience of last 20 days, I would really say that you would certainly not experience other MNC to be so time boxed, so cooperative, so communicative, and properly guiding you through all the processes of your um, through all the phases of your processes that you need to perform post onboarding. Yes, there are few new joinees who faced different issues, but I would say it was really very smooth for me. There are my friends in different MNCs, but then they do complain that they were not properly guided so as to what to do and how to do. But then this is not the case with Cognizant, I feel. Now, let me tell you how Cognizant accomplishes to get everything to be well executed according to me. This is number one, due to the continuous virtual induction programs and webinars. Their concern, I mean, Cognizant concern about every new joinee to get deployed on the projects and as quickly as possible, or otherwise, they provide them with the training if required. Next, allowing new joinee to self-apply for the jobs matching for their according to their skills. So, and another one I noticed is that connecting you over Teams directly in case of any issues. So, through induction programs, they make you aware of number of things like what are the applications that the cognizant employees will be using and how they will be using, like Office, Teams, and their other applications. I do not want to name them. So they also brief you that how you can keep your profile updated for smooth deployment on the projects. What are the courses that are mandatory for every new joinee to complete within a specific time limit? How you can self apply for projects matching your skill sets? How to add top up to true time every day, and how to fill timesheet from where you will get the details to be filled in timesheet, like project ID and offshore onshore and many things are there. So they give you detailed information about that too through their induction programs. Then during these 20 days, along with the induction program, Cognizant also arranged 10-day wellness program for us, which included singing, dancing, webinars on stress management, neuroscience, happiness, yoga and meditation, etc. Not only these, there were technical programs as well to increase the skill ability in the field we are. So now coming over to the other part, here I'm going to share one example which will justify my statement that Cognizant is very cooperative and communicative, as I already mentioned. So I, being a new joinee, was unable to self apply for jobs in the application since I was finding it a bit confusing. So later 1 or 2 days, I received a message over Teams that, "Hi dear, are you finding it difficult to self apply in TMP as you have not applied yet?" So I instantly replied that yes, I am not getting the proper description that I'm looking for. So, looking at my reply, she started guiding me through the process. I was able to do it finally. So, this experience really amazed me, that as how nicely, without my any of the approach, my problem got solved. So, this is again a good experience. Um, Another quality I experienced about Cognizant is that it's very fast service and happily replying to all my concerns raised via email. Fast service means starting from my technical interview, HR round, offer letter, pre-joining formalities, onboarding pass generation, and last but not the least, my welcome kit. Everything was so fast and so so properly arranged that really I'm feeling that Cognizant, I mean, no other company is as fast as Cognizant. So friends, I would like to emphasize on my statement that I received my Cognizant so good welcome work from home kit just within 6 days of my joining, which is so fast. So thank you, Cognizant, for this. Now, here is a screenshot of the live concert which was there before a few days and which I really enjoyed. So, I wanted to share a screenshot of this with you all. Friends, please subscribe my channel if you're really getting the information that you're checking for. Thank you all. Bye bye. Take care.